Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm on a trip now to Pacitan. It's a small town in East Java province, a bit far from here. It takes around 3 hours, 3 or 4 hours by bus. So I go there by bus with my colleagues. So it's not my own plan to go there. I just joined the trip and I take chance to take some photos and videos for microstock and also to improve my skill in photography and videography. So during the trip, I check some photos and videos on microstock like Shutterstock to get inspired by senior photographers there. So I am learning now how to photograph and shoot some videos there because I don't really know what to shoot on the beach because I don't really like going to the beach actually. I prefer go to the mountain or in the park like in forest like that. But we have agreed last year actually in the meeting that we would go traveling together. We want to have vacation this year together, so I must join it. Okay, and take chance to collect some photos and videos to sell on Microsoft. Okay, so we have arrived in the place here. It's close to the beach. So the first activity we're going to have here is riding a speedboat on this river. Actually, we can go to the beach through this river actually, but the driver said because the water level is too low, so we cannot go to the beach. Just riding the boats around this river. So we parked the bus actually a bit far from this place, 1 hour from here. So we come here by minibus. So like this the place. So I'm going to shoot some videos and also some photos for Microsoft in this place first, and later in the beach. There are two places actually, Cover Beach and then another beach. Another one is Watu Karung Beach. People say that this beach is similar to a beach in Raja Ampat. Okay, let's go. So I just shoot like this around 15 seconds and 20 seconds, sometimes 30 seconds. I include my friend here in the frame. And then next here, the houses on the riverbank. So I shoot this. I think it's interesting. It describes people activity near this river and also the water here and also the water splash under this boat. The next is one another speedboat and the coconut tree and some speedboats parking in the riverside here. It just looks wonderful, I guess. I try to shoot the view and the water behind me, so I move backward then. It looks stunning. And the bridge here. So we're passing through under the bridge. Another speedboat. Okay, and the parking boat and the coconut trees along the riverside. It looks so wonderful. So the water behind the boat, the moving water, it looks stunning. So I can see the sea from here. It's so close from here, but we cannot go there. We just go back after this and just moving around first around this place. So I see the Palestinian flag over there and Indonesian flag red and white. That's over there. That's the sea. And this rock is just looks stunning. Unique, I guess. Okay, my friends there. We go back now. So the water under the boat form a line here. It's just wonderful. And over there it's like a leading line to the hill behind it. It's so stunning. And over there is someone maybe catching a fish. There are many Indonesian flags here. and I see two Palestinian flags. Okay, we support Palestinian people. We pray for the victim there. Okay, so the moving water and also the tree there without leaf. It's unique, I guess. We have passed this location actually before. We just go back, but I stood here in different direction then. The water behind it looks stunning, and the leaves of coconut tree. By watching this video, I think we can feel the vibe in this river. That's the name. Kali Cokol. Kali, this is Japanese name. It's Japanese, so it means river, Kali. And Cokol is the name of this river. Exploring this river by boat, I think, is just wonderful. And for me, if I can take a bit longer here, but I just follow the driver here. So the time limit to drive this boat is depend on the driver, not depend on us. Maybe we need to pay more so we can request the time limit. I think it's interesting to shoot maybe hunting photo of birds maybe in this place. Maybe later I will try. But the problem here is the road is so narrow. So if there are two cars passing through different direction, one car must be stopped. So only skillful driver can do it. I cannot do it. I also take some photos here. Okay, I'll show you here. These are the photos I took here.